Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. This is the all-new generation Mercedes S-Class 2021 with the AMG package. So in this video I will show you the complete exterior, interior, what is new, and also a piece of history of the S-Class. The new S-Class has amazing technology and also safety assistance. It now has the rear wheel steering. So that means below 60 kilometers an hour, the rear wheels, they steer in the opposite direction of the front wheels, which makes parking very easy, just like an A-Class. The quality amazes me the most of this S-Class. You can see in the front that it has a new AMG package design with aggressive front bumpers. And these new LED headlights are amazing with blue jewelry inside. So sitting in the new generation S-Class, you really feel that Mercedes has accomplished the story. Luxury technology combined in a very sensational way. This one has the AMG exterior package. So in the interior you can see a nice carbon fiber trim around the door and the dash. Amazing technology, and you might think, how has the story of the S-Class developed over time? Because in every S-Class there is new technology, new safety systems. For example, here on the steering wheel you have these buttons for the autonomous driving system. This drive pilot is called the level 3. It is not even legal in every country. So this feature you won't see in every S-Class. It has a 3D picture in the infotainment system. And I love the design where this interactive touchscreen is not integrated into the dash, but rather here on the center console. So it is really a standalone design of the dash. And by the way, it has these seat pillows, also in the front seats, which is new. And this leather on the seats is actually double, with a nice perforation and design. Soft closing doors for the rear seats, and it also has a sun blinder. 3 infotainment system screens, and you can operate them also with this device. So just to give you an idea of the S-Class history, we will take a look all the way back to 1904 until this new generation S-Class. So let's start with Arnold Schwarzenegger's S-Class as a sneak preview coming up next. And here it is, guys, the actual amazing famous S-Class of Arnold Schwarzenegger. It is a gorgeous V12 S600, and it has amazing shiny and very muscular rims. And some more characteristics of Arnold's S-Class is of course here in the front, because right before he became the governor, he sold this S-Class to the Mercedes-Benz Museum. It still has the California license plate here in the front. And if you want to see more about Arnold's S-Class, make sure you follow me on Instagram. The link is down below, and I have amazing content special for you. This is the concept of the first ever luxury S-Class. And I will show you the idea behind this success story. And as you can see, this is a long wheelbase. So it has a partition wall which divides the VIP passengers from the driver. A very luxurious idea and concept, so let's have a look from the exterior. So the S-Class story starts with the Mercedes Simplex of 1904. Not a lot of people could afford it, so only 100 units were built, and this one, the long wheelbase, is very special and unique. There's only one. So let's have a look at the VIP interior seats. You can grab this handle. You can actually talk into the mic so that your voice goes all the way via this cable to the driver in front of you. Just like you were a kid, you were talking with a rope and 2 cans. Also special, all these curtains. So right here we have 60 horsepower and a top speed of 80 kilometers an hour. In the next generation over there, we are looking at the Pullman carrosserie with the first Mercedes-Benz inline 8-cylinder. Gorgeous looking, with the Mercedes star on the top. And that being the Nürburgring 460 from 1929, I already mentioned it is the Pullman variant. And then the customers thought, why not drive it for yourself in a brand new S-Class? 1951, this 220 model arrived. As you can see, it is way shorter and also more focused on the driver perspective. And in terms of safety, no headrest yet. And just as with this Nürburgring 460, the VIP passengers have this suicide door that opens the other way around. This one also has it, but they found a solution to make it safer. It has a double pin in the door. So it closes in 2 parts with an amazing quality sound. And as you can remember from my road trip video, driving from Belgium to the Spa-Secret all the way to Stuttgart Mercedes-Benz Museum, I was driving the Ponton, the long wheelbase, because it is a 6-cylinder engine, similar to the S-Class. The 4-cylinder is a little bit shorter, similar to the E-Class. And this is also the first time that they have a uni-body. So the chassis is really meant for this particular model. Amazing quality to sit here in this Ponton. And yes, in this generation they also improved the safety. It still doesn't have any headrest, but you can see they got rid of this suicide door. Now it opens the normal way. So if suddenly the doors open while driving, it doesn't open the other way around so that the air takes you out of the road. And you can also hear that it has a 2-part closing. So this is not really closed. If you do it firmer, it is really closed. And the sound is amazing. The S-Class is known to have the first mover advantage in every generation. Coming up next, I will show you every generation over time, ending with the W222. After the Ponton, this Mercedes-Benz 220 and 300 SE long wheelbase arrived. Safety became an important topic in 1959. Mercedes-Benz was the first mover with adding disc brakes to its production. In 1965, the 300 SEL 6.3 liter arrived. Just look at the design, green wheels, matches with the exterior color. And actually this 250 horsepower was the foundation of the first ever AMG build. This is the Red Pig, the first ever AMG, also to win the Spa racetrack, a really unique icon. It is actually based on the 6.8 liter variant. The first time that the prefix S-Class was used was in 1972, and a safety feature like the ABS was included. Up next in 1979, the longest ever in production S-Class, 12 years. The first massive production car to arrive with an airbag for the driver and passenger. The production also included a lot of crash testing. In 1991, the S-Class arrived with the name 140. It was the first to come with a 12-cylinder diesel engine. It now also has ESP and a voice control with the navigation system. And don't forget the parking sensors. In 1998, the S-Class 220 arrived, a new design change. It has the Airmatic body control, 4MATIC, and the first ever AMG package. And the last in the row is this 221, where Gordon Wagener had a lot of input in the design. It has the AMG package, active body control, the pre-safe braking, also things like the lane keeping assist, blind spot assist are all included. And that brings us over to the W222, which is the pre-generation of this new S-Class. You can see it has been cut in half for you to see the technology, for example the night vision in the front, all the cameras for the lane keeping assist. And just have a look at the design. This is also the AMG package. with the AMG rims. A lovely Mercedes star on the top, no technology of course. And the seats, you can see the massage function with these round shaped circles. The heated armrest and also the airbag in the steering wheel. It says AMG on the bottom, but this is not the AMG steering wheel itself. Here in the rear, the complete seat has been taken out, Burmester surround sound system, and just amazing to see the technology behind it. Here in the trunk, yes, in this way a lot of space, but also a lot of electronics. So let's have a look inside, so that we have an idea of how the S-Class changed the automotive industry in every generation. And the pre-generation is still one of my favorites, with the analog clock here at the center and really the quality. This one has a AMG package in this specific model. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked this video of the complete history and the concept idea of the S-Class. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.